So, this is my mess of world that's going on here. This was a RV motorhome given to me by my dad and my brother. Have the same name. It was in my brother's name, but my dad has the same exact name, so he signed it over to me. So anyway, besides the point. I got it about a year ago, stayed in it last summer. The rains came and, well, the roof already had tried to be patched before. And the only place I could really go to stay dry was in the cab. And the cab over was hanging down because the frame is rusted out. So I wound up cutting most of it off. And my original idea was to make it into a work truck. But I need a place to live, so I'm gonna turn it into a box truck. So I'm just a crazy homeless guy tearing apart a motorhome. See how this goes, you know? Without the bitter, the sweet. Just any sweet. And without the sweet, the bitter is just, man, it's normal.